Dear viewers, your work matters. Every spreadsheet you create represents your hard work, creativity and precision. But imagine losing it all because it was not protected. Don't let that happen. Protect your Excel file with password. It's simple, it's fast and keeps your data safe from fraying eyes and accidental edit. Okay, take control of your work, protect it secure and ensure that it's your alone. Okay, let's start with Hug Academy, how to protect your file. Hi everyone, hope that you are doing well. Today I discuss about how to protect your Excel file and sheet. Okay, first of all we go in file and here you see that info. Okay, and we go to info and protect workbook. Okay, and here you see that encrypted with password. Okay, encrypted with password, and we click here and now we press password such as 1 2 3. Okay, and okay, then this file save in desktop or other criteria and as your preference. And okay, and now we cross this file and we go in desktop. Here you see that this is protected. Okay, and we try to open this protect 1 2 3 and you see that this is open. And if we want to protect the Excel sheet, and we first of all we go to click here right mouse and protect sheet and press here password 1 2 3. Okay, and again 1 2 3. Okay, and okay, and here you see that you cannot work. Okay, that means the sheet are protected. So and if we try to unprotect this, and here you cursor and right mouse click and unprotect. Okay, 1 2 3, and you see that this is unprotected and you can edit or anything here. That's all for Excel protect sheet and file. Thank you everyone.